In this training session, we're continuing with Global Edit Tool, and we're going to look at changing the debtors invoice layout. In other words, if you selected a specific layout, for instance in our case we selected layout 1, we can now change that layout so that for all the recurring charges you actually have a different invoice layout. Once again, your two options: only change invoice layouts for changes that have this option enabled, or enable this option for all the changes and update the invoice layout. Now let's, in this case, choose the second option. So now we're going to make sure that everyone has the same layout, and we're going to say we would like to change it to layout 2 instead of previously the layout 1 was selected. And then I'm going to say continue. In this case, I'm not going to create a filter, and I'm going to say accept. Tells me that there's no filter. I say I'm sure. Yes. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. And it then tells me that the operation was successful. If I now close my screen and I edit one of my charges, you will see that we said override the layout, and layout 2 has now been selected for this charge. If I go to the other one, you'll see the same has happened there. And that will conclude looking at how to change the debtors invoice layout.